My name is Paige Volk, and I'm a pediatric intensive care doctor from the University of Iowa Children's Hospital. And I have been the chief pediatric advisor to our hospital incident commander for several years now, and was recently asked this summer to be the champion for disaster preparedness for the Iowa chapter of the AAP. So I have a few things that I'd like to share with you today. One is it's important to think about disaster preparedness from a couple of perspectives. One, how is your practice prepared to deal with a disaster in your community? And the other is, how would you deal with it if your practice was actually affected by a disaster? And so I'm thinking most recently of the disaster in Joplin when St. John's Hospital was directly hit by an F5 class tornado. So I'm doing a lot of work at the University of Iowa and now throughout the state to try to help people think about what their practice should do to be more ready, and think about how they would evacuate their patients and their healthcare team in the event that a disaster happened at their institution. The other point that I'd like to make today is to remind you how critical it is that you be prepared at home so that you're not focused on your family in those moments when you need to be focused on your patient and what's going on in your community. So I encourage you to look at the Be Ready Iowa website link, which gives you a lot of information about preparing at home and educating your family to deal with the disaster. That way you will actually be available to help take care of your patients in your community. Thank you very much. If you'd like to reach out to me, I can be contacted at paige-volk@uiowa.edu. Thanks again.